Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best dash cams, you've landed in the perfect spot. We've done the research to bring you the best dash cams options for this year. Considering price, performance, and usage scenarios, stick around to discover which dash cams is the best fit for you. You can find all the product links with the best deals in the description box below. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Viofo A329. It might be expensive, but the 2-camera Viofo A329 dash cam bundle is worth the outlay. Not only do you get crisp 4K video up to 60 frames per second from the main camera that is able to capture fine details at speed, the rear-facing unit is a great supplement with decent 2K footage of its own. We also found that footage captured after dark was equally impressive than our clips taken on dull and gray days, with both front and rear cameras adept at picking out little details, such as license plates and road signs. All of that data can be stored onto microSD with generous 512 GB capacity compatibility, or SSD up to 4 TB. Files can be quickly loaded to Viofo's app, which by the way is a dream to use. Initial setup will test your skills. There is more work involved in getting it all wired in, but those who persist will enjoy the fruit of their labor, being rewarded with a premium performer. If money is no object, then you'll struggle to find a dash cam with better quality video. Number 2. Nextbase IQ. The Nextbase IQ is as feature-packed as dash cams come. Available in 1K, 2K and 4K variants, it's a premium solution with a suite of connected skills. That includes parking assistance, a voice-activated witness mode, and the ability to check in on your vehicle via the Nextbase IQ app, as well as GPS, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. All 3 versions include an interior camera, and there's an optional rear-facing unit. You will need a paid subscription to get the full benefit of its abilities, which means the IQ can quickly become a costly bit of kit. But our tests found that it's also an impressive one. Setup proved simple in our review, while the app made it easy to access its many features. Footage and audio from our 4K review unit was predictably excellent, too. Because power is delivered directly from the car's battery, the system remains active even when the engine's off. It will be overkill for many road users, but if you want a complete, all-in-one camera to monitor your car at all times, the Nextbase IQ is as clever as they come. Number 3. 70My Dash Cam 4K Omni. 70My updated its unique dash cam Omni with a pricier 4K model, the 70My Dash Cam 4K Omni. Its party trick is its front camera with a 146-degree field of view which can rotate a full 360 degrees for both front and cabin views. With the 4K Omni, you can record journeys from out the front, or rotate it to film inside the cabin of your vehicle. Cue your in-car karaoke. Video resolution has been bumped up from 1080p up to 60 frames per second to 4K up 60 frames per second, while the sensor is beefier too, complete with 70my's new after-dark tool called Lumi Vision. So low-light footage is crisper than before, which is impressive given the dashcam Omni was already a decent low-light performer. New features include AI Motion Detection 2.0, and there's now a second rear camera available in the package, providing dual-channel HDR capability. That rear camera shoots in 1080p resolution. The front camera has a larger screen, beefier Wi-Fi performance, and more efficient battery. Overall, the 4K Omni is a decent upgrade and worth forking out the extra for. Number 4. Garmin DriveCam 76. The Garmin DriveCam 76 is a feature-packed tool for vehicles without an infotainment system. In testing, we found its 7-inch display intuitive to use. It makes Garmin's rich mapping visuals easy to follow, while navigation is clear and well-timed, complemented by live traffic updates when paired with your smartphone's data connection. The unit itself is much larger than many rivals, though, which can make it tricky to place without obstructing the driver's view. Helpfully, both the display angle and camera lens are adjustable, so you can find the right position between road and driver. Full HD footage is shot in HDR at 30 frames per second, delivering balanced exposure and enough detail to make number plates legible. That said, we found that video suffers from noticeable stabilization wobble. Number 5. Viofo A229 Pro. This dash cam delivers crisp, super high-res footage day or night. It also has key features such as 24-hour parked car monitoring and GPS, as well as a heat-friendly supercapacitor, instead of a battery. The Viofo A229 Pro features clear, detailed 4K video during the day and, more crucially, at night. Though no dash cam is perfect, the A229 Pro will give you the best chance of being able to read another car's license plate in the widest variety of conditions. This dash cam features a supercapacitor, which should be more reliable in high temperatures than the lithium-ion batteries found in many dash cameras. It also has 24-hour parking monitoring, voice control, and a 2.4-inch screen. It's easy to install and use, with an app that offers lots of features, including a GPS map and the ability to trim clips before you save or send them. Number 6. Thinkware Q200 2-channel 2K QHD dash cam. While front-only protection offers some peace of mind, comprehensive front and rear coverage is best, and surprisingly, it doesn't need to be expensive. The convenience of monitoring your vehicle with advanced features and effortless smartphone connectivity is now accessible at an affordable price. Despite its compact size, this 2K QHD dashcam is equipped with the latest Thinkware advancements, such as Wi-Fi, built-in Bluetooth for pairing, advanced parking modes, and safety alerts to keep you protected on the go. Similar to the Thinkware U3000, the Thinkware Q200 is designed with built-in Bluetooth, which enables you to connect your compatible Android or iOS device in seconds to effortlessly replay your latest driving videos and manage your dashcam settings. Plus, if you're looking for an easy plug-and-play camera, the Q200 has an optional OBD cable, offering all the same benefits of parking mode with a fraction of the effort.